My thoughts on a Raptor is it's like Ford Motor Company built it for me.
Man, that thing is a beast.
I tell you, this is so awesome. The old Raptor was cool, but this one's like way better. Having that lead, which in my opinion, the most important race of the year, and having a Raptor as the pace truck is going to be really neat.
Ford Raptor has once again changed the world, what it means to be a truck in this environment of performance that we live in right now.
Drives really good, handles really well.
I love the Ford Raptor truck. I have a 2017 on order. I cannot wait to get it.